Road Safety Lesson 3, we've got two files that we need to load up for the first task. So the first one is the Excel file there for stopping distance. So good idea, go down here, make the icons full size and load up the Excel file. Then we're going to go back there and we're going to load up the first PowerPoint, which is called Stopping Distances. What we need to do initially is enter the data from these graphs. So the spreadsheet has already been set up, and what we've got to do is switch between these. The easiest thing to do is to get hold of the PowerPoint, and you get hold of it at the top, so don't touch any of the sort of icons there, but just get hold here, pull that down and go to one side of the screen in the middle, not top or bottom. Go down there, let go, and then click on your spreadsheet. So we've tiled each of those. We can do then, I'm going to zoom in on that spreadsheet just a little bit, make it a little bit easier to see, and then you can go in the middle and we can grab, and it will then pull these over. I'm just going to also do the same with these slides, just give us a little bit more room on this side. So we're going to start off by entering the thinking distance. So thinking distance is in blue, so we're starting at 20 miles an hour and going up to 70. When you're entering these, use the number pad and have your other hand on the arrow keys. So we're going 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21. Now we need the braking distance, 6, 14, 24, 38, 55, 75. So now we need the overall stopping distance. For this, we don't need to see that graph anymore. So I'm going to go there and click the maximize button. So we've got our spreadsheet back again, full screen. So our stopping distance is the thinking distance plus the braking distance. So that's a very easy formula for us. And then replicate that formula. At this point, let's pop some grid lines over our table. So now we want a graph to show our stopping distances. To get our graph, we're going to highlight the first column, go to the last column, hold down the control key and highlight there. We're going to insert and we'll go to the recommended charts. So we're going to go with this one for our overall stopping distances. So click OK. And then you want to get hold of the graph. When you get hold of the graph, don't touch any of the information in there, including the title. Just get on some white space or right on the very edge, and let's just move that over to there. Position, we're just going to click on there again. We're going to click plus up here, and we're going to add the axis titles. So tick that box, and then we just need to label these. So I double click in there or triple click to highlight all of that. So this one then is our stopping distance. And we double click or triple click this one, and this one is our speed. And our graph's done. You can also, you don't have to, but you could also click on that axis, right click, go to format axis, because it's going up to 120 and we don't need that. The highest one there is still below 100, so let's go to 100, press enter, and it just spreads our graph out just a little bit more there. And close that one down and save your file.